welcome to Shat Motorsport. So as I said in a little video, the short the other day, I've been out and bought myself a Passat. It's a 2015 2-litre TDI with 150 horsepower. It might not stay 150 horsepower because of the thing called mapping. I fancy a little bit more fuel economy out of it. Nothing to do with speed, it's fuel economy. Even though I had a run down to Birmingham the other day with work, filming a video for a company, and it averaged 60 miles to the gallon. Pretty good really. Since the old CRV, even though I loved it, was doing about 15, 20 if I'm lucky. It did run an LPG though, so it kept the cost down. So I'll give you a quick tour around of my car. I've had it 3-4 days, and so far it's fantastic. I've had a better experience with Volkswagen than my brother did with his brand new Golf a few weeks ago, but I'll let him tell you about that. I'll link to his channel below because he had a right nightmare with it. He now drives a Hyundai. So there you go, my little Passat, or big Passat. With it being an estate, it's humongous. I think I might go move out and live in boot. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.